Are you American?
Yes, I am.
Are you busy at the moment?
Just a little.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot of things to do.
Are you free?
Yes, let's talk.
Are you going to do it?
Maybe.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Can I access the internet?
Of course.
Can we go there now?
Just a minute.
Can you call me right now?
Just a moment.
Can you help me?
Sure.
Can you say it again?
No problem.
Could you repeat it, please?
Okay.
Do I have internet access here?
Sure.
Do you feel tired?
Not really.
Do you have any problems?
Let's drop the subject.
Do you know where he is?
He is in the office.
Do you like your colleagues?
Yeah, we get on well with each other.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Does it often rain here?
Quite often.
Does it often snow here?
Not so often.
Does your car often break down?
Only sometimes.
Have you already visited England?
Not yet.
Have you ever been to America?
Never.
How about Sunday?
It's okay.
How did you get to work?
By bus.
How do you find this?
Extremely important.
How do you like traveling?
By car.
How do you prefer to travel?
By air.
How do you usually get to work?
By underground.
How far is it from the city?
About 20 kilometers.
How long did it take you to get there?
About 2 hours.
How long did it take you to learn English?
4 years.
How long does it take to get to school?
20 minutes.
How long does it take to get to work?
2 hours.
How many good friends do you have?
Not so many.
How many hours a day do you learn English?
2 or 3 hours.
How many times a week do you work?
5 times.
How much did it cost?
Not much.
How much did you pay?
200 euros.
How much does it cost?
20 bucks.
How much is it?
$60.
How much is this sweater?
$20.
How was the lesson?
Really boring.
How was the party?
Amazing.
How was your trip?
Unforgettable.
Is it far?
No, it's quite near.
Is it interesting for you?
Very interesting.
Is it near?
No, it's very far.
Is it near?
Yes, it's near.
Is it possible?
Yeah, it's quite possible.
Is this size okay for you?
No, it's too big.
What about Saturday?
It suits me.
What are you fond of?
I'm fond of sport.
What are you interested in?
I'm interested in foreign languages.
What are you keen on?
I'm keen on music.
What do you enjoy doing?
I enjoy spending time with my friends.
What do you think about it?
I think we need to try it.
What do you want to buy?
A sweater.
What does he do for a living?
He gives English lessons.
What English-speaking countries have you already visited?
Just England.
What English-speaking countries have you been to?
Well, I've been to England and Canada.
What kind of food do you like?
I like Italian food.
What kind of food do you prefer to eat?
Homemade.
What ticket did you buy?
A return ticket.
What ticket do you need?
A one-way ticket.
What ticket should I buy?
A round-trip ticket.
What time do you usually get up?
At 7 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you usually go to bed?
At about midnight.
What time is it?
It's 7:30.
What was your result?
Excellent.
What would you like to buy?
A beautiful dress.
What's the time?
It's 5:45.
What's the matter?
Everything is okay.
What's up?
It's okay.
What's your native city?
New York.
When are you leaving?
In 10 minutes.
When did it happen?
A long time ago.
When did you see her last time?
Indeed, I haven't seen her for ages.
When do you usually get up?
Very early.
When do you usually go to bed?
Very late.
When does the bus leave?
At 7 p.m.
When is your birthday?
On the 7th of July.
When were you born?
On the 3rd of March in 1975.
When will she come back?
In 20 minutes.
When will they arrive?
Soon.
When will you be back?
In half an hour.
When will you be ready?
In 5 minutes.
When will you get free?
In 5 minutes.
Where are they?
In a traffic jam.
Where are you going?
I'm going to a business meeting.
Where did you learn English?
At school.
Where do you want to go?
Let's go to this party.
Where does your wife work?
She works from home.
Where is my jacket?
It's over there.
Where were you born?
I was born in the United States.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to visit one place in the city center.
Who will pay?
It's my turn.
Why are you so late?
I was held up in a traffic jam.
Will you do it?
I'm not quite sure.
Would you like some water?
I wouldn't refuse.